Hello, Mrs. Galot. This is the science project that you required us to do, and it is a walkthrough of the cell. I hope you enjoy. This is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is made up of a bunch of tiny circles and lines. The circles really love water, and the lines really hate water. So tell me, Mr. Cell Membrane, what do you do specifically? Well, you see, I make it where illegals don't enter through America. You weren't supposed to say that, Mr. Cell Membrane. Oh, yeah. Well, I also protect the cell and everything inside. And I also bring in nutrients and molecules and stuff like that to help the cell thrive and grow. Thank you for telling us what you do, Mr. Cell Membrane. Now, I'm gonna go talk to some of the other organelles. Bye-bye. Mr. Mexican, you're not allowed to cross this border. Porque. Next up is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. And it's mostly made out of water, apparently. Hold up, that technically means I could eat it. Don't eat the cytoplasm! Don't eat the The next organelles we are visiting is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Both of these organelles are very, very important to the cell. We'll start with the rough ER first. So tell me, what do you do? Well, as the rough ER, I hug the nucleus to make him feel better, because he gets depressed a lot. But I also make proteins, which help our body a lot, in ways that I'm not going to explain because that is for your science teacher to do. And the smooth ER, tell me, what do you do to help the cell? Well, just like the rough ER hugs the nucleus, I hug the rough ER, which is very, very painful. But I also make lipids, which are in the membrane. The cell membrane, which I'm pretty sure you talked about earlier. Yeah, that's about all I do. Thank you all for telling me what you do. Now I'm gonna go move on. I hope you two have fun hugging each other. Bye-bye. Next up here are the ribosomes. Ribosomes are made up of proteins and RNA. They are located all throughout the cytoplasm and the rough ER. They also make proteins, which is pretty cool. I feel like a lot of organelles do that. Also, if they're in the cytoplasm, does that technically mean I accidentally ate a few? This just in. A deranged psychopath admitted that he ate some ribosomes. He is very, very bad. We need to find this man. If anyone sees him, report him to the police, and we will pay anyone $10,000 to turn him in. Thank you. That is all for this news report. Remember, if you see this man, hide your family, wives, children, kids, dogs, boombox, everything you own. Don't let this man near them. This is the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is a folded membrane of probably weird, delicious things. I don't know. Anyway, Mr. Golgi apparatus, tell us, what do you do? Well, I'm the Golgi apparatus, as you said, and I have vesicles of protein, and I get them from the ER. Vesicles are like mini carts that grab the protein, steal them, and then they bring them here, where I sort them out, and then I ship the proteins to where they need to go, aka all over the cell. Thank you, Mr. Golgi apparatus. I'll just be going. Yes, please get off me.
I got the children like you wanted.
Oh, that's great. Bring 'em in. We'll deal with them very, very soon. This is the mitochondria. It is a nice little cute blobby thingy that is about my size. Anyway, tell us what you do, Mr. Mitochondria. Well, I break down food. And then I turn it into ATP. Some people even call me the powerhouse of the cell. Are you really the powerhouse of the cell?
No.
That's what I thought. This is the cilia, and the flagellia, I believe. I don't know. These are two little things that help move the cell around. So, cilia, tell us what you do.
Well, I am small. There's tons of us. They're kind of like little tiny oars. And we just help move the cell a little bit.
And what do you do, Mr. Flagella? Well, I am like the Cilia, except we're longer, and there's not a bunch of us. We are very, very, very long. You could probably see us in a microscope. I don't know, though, because I've never seen myself on a microscope, so I would not know. Well, thank you for telling me what you two do. Anyway, why are you guys inside the cell? Family vacation. What are you going to do? Visit the nucleus, I guess? I don't know. Stop asking this many questions. Speaking of the nucleus, we are now here at the nucleus. The nucleus contains genetic material, aka DNA. If you've watched Jurassic World or Jurassic Park, you've probably heard that many, many times. It is surrounded by a nuclear membrane with pores, which can let things in and out. In fact, that's how I'm going to get inside. I'm going to go through one of these pores. Now, who might you be? Well, I'm a security guard, of course. I need to make sure you're safe before you can enter the nucleus. Well, I am pretty safe. I haven't hurt anyone. You can check my criminal records. The only thing you would find is that I might be associated with 9/11. That is still up for debate, though. Don't look into it. Well, I have no idea what that is, so you are free to go in, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Wait, hold up. Wasn't he the guy that I saw on the news?
Ah, look, there's a sign. I wonder what it says.
Ah, yes, of course. The nucleus protects the DNA that controls the activity of the cells, and the cells need to stay alive. So, that is very, very interesting. Thank you, sign. This is the final part of the cell, the nucleolus. Oles, I believe. It is made up of proteins, or no, that was something else. I am forgetting my lines. It is just inside of the nucleus. Anyway, tell us what you do, Mr. Nucleolase. Well, I make ribosomes and RNA. Is that all you do? I also command the cell what to do. Everything else. I'm basically like the boss, you know. The capital B boss. I'm the one that sits at the table. I would be the equivalent of the president. Yeah, I'm very powerful. I have a lot of things I can do. Well, thank you, I guess. That I was expecting you to do a lot more than that. I mean, taking care of the cell is, I mean, it must be a very long and tiring task. Oh, yes, it is. It is. It's very long and tiring. That's why the rough ER hugs the outside. Unfortunately, though, I never get hugs. I wish I got hugs. Anyway, that is it for my detailed explanation of the cell. I hope you enjoyed, and oh, who's this?
Me? I'm a lysosome.
Oh, I guess I forgot about you. What do you do? Since I guess I forgot to ask you.
Well, I break down dead stuff.
So you're kind of like a composter, in a way.
Yeah! And I also do apoptosis.
And what is that?
Basically, I just tell the cell to kill itself.
Well, that's pretty... What? What? Why?
I don't know.
Okay, then. That's interesting. Thank you for telling us that, I guess.
You're welcome.
Anyway, so why are you in here?
Well, I'm gonna tell the cell to die.
Okay. Wait, hold up.
Anyway, Mr. Nucleolase, you should die. You don't mean anything. After all, there's like 4 billion or so other ones of you in a human.
You don't matter. Just kill yourself!
Do it. Do it. Do it. I want you to do it, Mr. Nucleolase. Trust me, it won't hurt a bit.
No! Don't do it, Mr. Nucleolase! You have meaning. You have a purpose. Don't let the lysosome tell you what to do. Trust me, this place needs you. The human needs you. Besides, what if every other cell died? You'd be the last one. Come on, stand with me. Stop, cytoplasm-eating thief. We found you, and you were trying to hurt the nucleolase. We knew you would cause trouble. No, wait, I wasn't trying to cause trouble. It's the lysosome. He's the one causing trouble. Yeah, take it to the judge, kiddo. No, I won't go down without a fight. Well then, let's kill him. You killed the nucleolus on accident. Oh. Does this mean I'm fired? Yeah, probably. I don't know. Yeah, I'd assume you would be fired for killing the literal person who hired you, and the reason why the entire cell is alive. Wait, hold up. If he's dead, then that means... This just in. The boss of literally everything that happens in the cell is found dead. Meaning that the entire cell is about to collapse for some reason. I have no idea why we cannot work on our own. It's just the way we live. And now everyone's gonna die! I didn't even get to say goodbye to my newborn child. Anyway, everybody start running! Yeah, those are our producers. Bye!
I love my job.
Well, Mrs. Galot, I hope you enjoyed this. I know it wasn't a presentation that I was hoping there was a lot of mistakes along the way, organelles being funny, but I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Anyway, is there a way to get out? Nope. Not that I know of. Front door's blocked down, and I think we're trapped in here. Crap.